Welcome to Calabarzon, a region where breathtaking landscapes meet vibrant culture and rich history. Get ready to explore the five provinces that make up this dynamic corner of the Philippines: Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. Each province offers a unique experience, showcases diverse blend of Filipino life. Calabarzon, also known as Region 4A, is more than just its stunning natural beauty. It's a region rich in history and a hub of thriving industry. Today, we're embarking on a journey through two of its most captivating provinces, Rizal and Quezon. Let's explore. First, we're heading to Antipolo City, the charming capital of Rizal Province. Known for its stunning views and rich religious heritage, it's a must-see destination. It's speedily called the city in the sky, given its breathtaking mountain vista. Known as the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines. Nagpitiling ako. Don't miss the Pinto Art Museum, a treasure trove of contemporary Filipino art. Let's not forget the vibrant energy of the Antipolo Fiesta and the Sumaca Festival.